Welcome to Bluewater Key. We're at this luxury RV resort about 9 miles from the city of Key West. This RV resort is a little bit over 20 acres. It's basically a peninsula that sticks out into the Atlantic Ocean. There's 81 total home sites here. We're here at lot 39. This is one of the larger lots here in Bluewater Key. You can see it's got this amazing dock here with room for at least 2 boats, plus other toys like canoes, kayaks, jet skis. And we've got this amazing tiki hut here. It's about 600 square feet. It's just gotten a new roof on it. It's got outdoor bar, it's got a living room area and a flat screen TV, lots of storage built in. This lot is unbelievable. So let's go around and take a look. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If there's anything I can answer for you as far as real estate in the Keys or anywhere else in the country or in the world, please let me know. Just slip me a message and let's talk.